Okay guys, unfortunately I had to take this video like 3 times. For some reason this part didn't upload properly. So it's going to be part 2, you see it right now. And original one, controller goes here, right? So I just put a hot glue in the back, tape it. I put a small tape to cover that red light. You can see it from here. You can leave it on. That light is just nothing. It's pretty simple setup. So basically your screens, one harness here, second screen is over there, like we did before, and 2 connections. This is a button connection, goes here. I'll put button in the back, like in previous video, and the power. I'm sorry. So you have 2 options. If you decide to don't mess with the internal wiring, just plug to any USB-C cord here and fish through the body. It's pretty easy actually. So you fish here, you drop it here. It's a pretty big opening by one leg. Drop it there, and you can get out from one of those connectors. Just order yourself like a 12-foot USB-C cable. You're gonna be fine. So that's no wiring. You're gonna get button and 2 harnesses with a screen and lenses. With wiring, you're gonna get extra wire. It's a wire goes here. I configure controller to accept the power. And what you're doing here, so what we're doing, I try to explain. This is comes from the back. You can see it from here. It's filled. So let me put it back. This is just slides here. I'm sorry. Okay, it's full like 20 times already on me. So just stay with me. There we go. 2 wires come from the body. So this motor, we're not touching the motor wire. It has a black connector, we're not touching that one. Another wire with this cable with 4 wires comes from here all the way going to here. So what we're doing here, we're just grabbing this wire, okay? They have a red, black, blue, and green. We need red and black, that's our power. So we are doing here. We're just grabbing that red and blue. I'm cutting them in the middle right there, just split them out, cut in the middle. So, and using my 2 wire connector, so red going to the red, to the controller, also red will continue to this board. So that's why don't cut too short here, because otherwise no way to connect it here. So give yourself about 3-4 inches. This wire is pretty long, so you can pull it also extra from the body. So give yourself a good slack. So just grab red and black and red connecting all together. So you will have 3 reds, 1 coming in, 1 coming out to controller, and 1 now coming to my controller. And the black, same thing, coming from the main. 1 is going to this controller, continuous. 1 to this one. So we're just making 3-way connection. That's all this. This is carrying like 5.9 volts from original power supply, and it's enough to power this ice. So it's pretty easy setup. It's still running. So I'm supplying with 5 animations I designed just for this probe. I make them slow blinking, a little bit more movement. So I redesign everything. That's your another animation. This is like evil eye. I just try to keep red and blood. We look close. I have blood over there. Okay, and it's called this original. It's pretty cool. So this is my favorite one, original. It's kind of matching whole theme. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So just wire to the bottom, wire 3-way split here, and your harness for the LCD. That's all. Don't wanna mess with this wiring. Get yourself 12-foot cable, USB-C cable, plug it in. You're gonna be completely independent. Thank you.